Hey everyone, so I just got a meal delivery service delivered and I figured since I actually had makeup on, I was about to film another video, I would unbox this here on YouTube and I'll share the meals in separate clips when I prepare them. So I decided to subscribe to Sunbasket. I first heard of it in Grove. I recently had a Grove haul, so Grove Collaborative. It's like a online shop for like clean products for your home, like cleaning products, eco-friendly cleaning products, I should say. So I checked it out and there was a coupon in there to save $100 off your first few orders. So I was like, why not? So for my first week, I have 3 meals in there for 2 servings each, and it's $40. Normally it would be about $80. You can totally customize this for yourself. Again, this is my first box, so I can't speak to it yet. I haven't even opened it and peeked. But you get to select your meals, your type of diet. You have, like, I'm vegetarian, but you don't have to be vegetarian. Like, they have fish, meat, whatever. You can be like gluten-free and all these other different varieties you can choose. And they have a big menu and they have new things they add every week. I do have a refer a friend link I'll leave down below, and also if you just want to check them out more to see what they offer, and it will get you $90 off. This is up to $90 off your first order. So yeah, if you're interested, you like what you see, I like the box so far, what I see. But before we get started, welcome back, guys. I feel weird, I'm like crouched over right now in my kitchen. But if you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and this is my first meal service I think I've ever opened here on the channel. I haven't had one in a long time, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. But yeah, if you guys are into subscription services, subscription boxes, and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. But let's get started, you guys. So first impressions, super cute basket. Let's see. Oh, so right on top, they have this like Grove thing. So this is what I was talking about, Grove Collaborative. So they have like a free gift. So they must be like partnered somehow, obviously. They have this insulated stuff here. Oh, and each meal comes in its own little thing, I guess. Oh, what's this? Honey Mamas. Let's see if I could. Under here, goodies are near. Oh, wow, so there's like ice packs in here. Everything is still very cold. I was here when they delivered it. So I think that's everything. How about we move this like right here? Okay, so let's see what we got. I did choose a meal. I think this is the first meal I chose. We have the rainbow quinoa black bean tacos with guacamole and cabbage slaw. Doesn't that sound so good? So they each come with their name on the label, like the recipe name, and everything's inside it, so you can keep it like this in your fridge. Okay, so there is a sheet inside, pre-prepped, and then it tells you like the dietary categories. So this one's vegan, dairy-free, soy-free, and family-friendly, and it takes 15 to 25 minutes, but 15 minutes it says. And then it gives some directions and what comes in your bag. So one bag serves 2. So quinoa black bean mixture comes in here, organic grape tomatoes, organic lime, cabbage slaw, apple cider vinegar, mi rancho artisans tortillas, Sunbasket salsa roja, and holy guacamole. And then they give you the step-by-step instructions, which is super easy. Heat the mixture, prep the garnishes, and heat the tortillas and serve. Nice. And then on the back it has the nutrition. I talked about like meatless Monday and all that. Sorry, I can't tell if you can even like see me. Let's look at how they prep. Oh, they prep it really nice. So here's the salsa, and you can totally reuse this container too. Here we have the apple cider vinegar. Everything is packaged super well. I love that it comes in a bag. You don't even have to sort through everything. Yeah. Got lime. So yeah, they literally give you every single item. So here's the quinoa black bean mixture. Awesome. I'm gonna keep them all back in the bag because that'll be really easy just to store in my fridge. I think that's awesome. And the guacamole is actually in 2 servings, so you can like split it up for the 2 people, but it's just me, so I'm probably gonna eat all of it in one. But it'll be nice if this could last me like for like lunch and dinner, because it sounds awesome. Yeah. Okay, and then the other recipes I got, or meals I got this week, the next one is glass noodle bowls with spicy yuba and stir-fried vegetables. And I think the noodles were out here. And then the other meal I have is white bean panzanella with tomatoes, French mozzarella, and fried eggs. So it even gives you the eggs. Yeah. I'm just curious. So here's the organic eggs. I was like, when I signed up, I was just curious. I have eggs. I eat them every day for breakfast. I'm like, I wonder if you still have to like provide like, the basic things that like, like eggs or milk or whatever, but they give you literally everything for every step. So I will like take pictures at least, maybe film myself making them. Let's see how long it says for these ones for the time. Like, for the white bean panzanella, it's 15 minutes. Vegetarian, soy-free, family-friendly. And then for the glass noodle bowls with spicy yuba and stir-fried vegetables, it says 20 minutes. And this one's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and spicy. Yeah, you don't need anything from home. They say just tools, like you need like a bowl or a sauce pot, stuff like that to make the food. But the actual ingredients, they give you everything. It sounds so good. I'm hungry. What time is it? It's 2:30. So I think I'm going to film my BoxyCharm video after this and then make an early dinner maybe. Maybe if I have 2 servings, I could have like a late lunch and an early dinner, or just one big meal. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna make the tacos first. So, because that sounds really good and I freaking love tacos. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. The other thing that came out here, is this a dessert? Honey Mama's Cocoa Truffle Bar. Do they give this to you as a little like extra? That's so nice. Oh, yum. This sounds really good. So yeah, that was everything. And I will keep you updated on how the meals go and take pictures and insert them in here and everything. But yeah, that's it for now. I will see you soon. I think I'll probably make a little outro now too and just include photos later. I don't know. But yeah, you guys haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. Like I said earlier, that means so much to me, but I'm really just so grateful you're here. I hope you're well. And if you guys get meal delivery services, let me know your experience and what one. If you guys tried Sunbasket, I don't think I know anyone personally that has tried this one specifically, but it seems really great so far. So again, I gotta try it. I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go. I love you so much. Bye. Hey guys, I'm about to make another Sunbasket meal for lunch. I just wanted to show you guys. I love how everything is packaged, and this looks so good. My parents have been in town, so I haven't been eating at home much, and I might be going out again later, so I'm like, this one would be perfect for lunch, and it is seriously exactly what I love. White bean panzanella with tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and fried eggs. I had been having tomato caprese. I feel like I'm always saying that wrong. But I love mozzarella so much, and basil. I actually just planted some basil. It's over, oh, that light is, sorry, it's a little messy in here. But everything comes so like well organized. It's so easy to do. I'm probably gonna do my makeup first and then eat, but I was like, maybe I should cook first, but I want this meal to last me like a few hours at least. But all you need from home is some salt, black pepper, and olive oil, and butter's optional. It's so easy. It says it takes 15 minutes. The tacos I made were so freaking good. I took a picture. I posted it on Instagram. But I will come on. Ooh, I'm going to have to try that next time. But yeah, I will show you guys this one when it's done. I'm so excited. I just wanted to show you it all laid out. Oh, is that? Panzanella is usually made with day-old bread. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And it has all the nutritional stuff, but yep, so I will be back soon with this. I just wanted to show you because it's like, I love the presentation of it already. This looks really good. See you soon. I've never fried eggs before. I hope this is right, but I'm almost done. There's the bread ready to go. So I figured I'd just take a little video. Next up, I will tell you how it is. I already tasted the salad. I almost forgot to record this or take any pictures or anything, but I'm making my last meal and I feel like such a freaking chef. But this is like the spicy yuba noodles. It's done now. I just have to remove this from heat. I add this in and the sauce and then some cilantro I was just chopping up. But you guys, I really like this meal service. I feel like so healthy. Like I would never do this on my own. Yum! I love spicy stuff.